Let's take a look at this fruit beverage. This is by Nature's First, made with 100% Alphonso mangoes, organic saffron added. Comes in this simple packaging. Costs around 65 rupees or 80 cents or so. Each can contains more than 25% of natural Alphonso mango fruit pulp. Shake well before serving. Ingredients are filtered water, Alphonso mango pulp, cane sugar, citric acid, aspartic acid, and organic saffron. Manufactured in Tamil Nadu, India. No preservatives, no artificial ingredients. This has around 160 calories. So let's taste it. That's how it looks. Let's taste it. That's so smooth and mangoey. It does taste like mango nectar. I think that's because of the mango and cane sugar. Such a nice mango flavor too. Quite nice. Check it out.